How to top up your investment in Teji Mandi app with Invest More option. Supported broker. These features allow you to invest surplus amount anytime. Let's dive into the steps. Go to the Portfolio tab. Tap View Stocks for a preferred portfolio. Select the Invest More button. Now connect to your broker account. So to top up your investment, we have two order types, and they are as follows. First, one-time plus SIP. In this, you can invest your desired amount and start your recurring SIP in coming month. Second, one-time. One-time is like a lump sum investment where you invest once and no recurring investment occurs. If you want to go with one-time plus SIP order type, here is the process. Click on the one-time plus SIP order type and proceed with confirm order type. Please note that the investment amount should be minimum of Rs 8,000 and this value may change as per the market condition. Now, add your first investment amount. Add your SIP amount and select your SIP date. The date is when your amount will be deducted and you will be notified of your SIP via WhatsApp and email. Click on Confirm Detail and proceed with Place Orders. View your order and proceed with Yes, Confirm Orders. Wait for the order status to show as complete and congrats, your investment is done. View your order by clicking on View Orders. To proceed with one-time order type, click on One-time Order Type and proceed with Confirm Order Type. Enter the amount to invest and click Confirm Details. Review by orders, then click Place Orders and Yes, Confirm Orders. Wait for the order status to show as complete and congrats, your investment is done. View your order by clicking on View Orders. For any assistance, please connect with us via email at support@tejimandi.com or via in-app chat box.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.